The best WordPress image cleaner plugin is the image of cleaner. So in the here showing the dashboard and media file, upload, podcast and tracking, everything you can check here. If you need anything, just click the orphan image and automatically showing orphan image already scanned and showing this is the both image is showing, and you can delete the selected. Just click automatically delete it from here, like deleted orphan image has been deleted. So extra size also you can check any extra size, automatically extra size deleted from here, like media, a small size, thumbnail size or web size, the default size of any types of file name automatically deleted from here. So this base actually scan and check anything. So here automatically showing to you any extra size here, check it and find total file removed 4 actually. So extra size is there is a bit 4. So this 4 size has been deleted. Also this is the image cookies automatically delete, image cache you can delete from here. Also setting, you can also serve single original image URL, you can put it. The save setting automatically the save setting also. So this is the actually full image cleaner feature here. The one plugin solve your WordPress multiple image issue. All image issue has been handled. So this will also help the file space of your WordPress. So hosting. So you can use this. Best of luck.